So back to what I was saying. Could be us.
Bam. JJLEE Squad, what is up? It's your boy Jordan. I'm back with another video. I know it's been a minute. I want to take a little break. I've been working. I've been grinding. I've been posting more on TikTok and Instagram, but it's nice to see y'all again. Another mod update. I just want to keep y'all really updated. If y'all follow me on TikTok and Instagram, y'all probably know. I'm going to turn the camera around. I got two surprises for y'all. You're not gonna see the second surprise, but here's the first one. I'm gonna turn this baby over, and bam, full stock Hellcat hood. I got from one of my friends' Hellcats, bro. So he pretty much bought a red eye. Kind of like a red eye frame, swapped everything over to the thin body Hellcat. So he took, he took the hood, the fenders, everything, bro, the flares, the wheels. So I grabbed this baby for a low price of $400, bro. Same day, grabbed that baby. It had a wrap on it, so this is in great condition. I'm not gonna tell y'all what I'm getting this wrap though. That's gonna be a surprise. But here's the vents as usual. I cleaned off the entire hood, bro. It's looking good. Crispy, even came with the little under hood shroud. Yep. Here y'all go, man. It's like a little car running for me. But yep, full crispy Hellcat hood. I'm getting it wrapped Sunday. I'm not gonna tell y'all what, like, Jordan, you should get painted, but I'm thinking different. I don't want to get it painted. Here's a little hint. I'm not getting it wrapped white, and I'm not getting it wrapped regular carbon or just carbon. I'm not getting it wrapped black, because I'm keeping the stripes, but the hood is gonna be entirely different. So put in the comments what y'all think, because I'm not gonna upload this. I'm gonna just put this in front of the hood wrap reveal video. So y'all put in the comments right now, what do you think I'm getting this hood wrapped with or as? There's gonna be little small details on the front bumper too, to kind of offset or outplay the whatever the hood is gonna be. So stay tuned for that. It is a little hint in my car Instagram page. If y'all know that's a little hint of what the hood may be. But that's pretty much it. Also, cam purchase, and it is on its way. Yes, you heard it. I've got a cam. I'm not telling you what stage cam right now, but your boy has got a cam. I've pretty much got the full kit, so I got everything coming. All I gotta do is pay for tune and install, and we gonna be chopping the block, looking different with my own, pretty much my own custom wild body scat pack, bro. That's gonna be chopping, which is good, bro, because I'm making my car into my own vision. I really don't care what nobody got to say, bro. This is what I want to do. This is how I want to design it, and this is gonna be one-on-one. And when y'all look at it, they'll be like, "Oh shoot, that's Jordan's car." So exactly, that is my point, bro. But stay tuned. Getting this hood wrapped Sunday. Gonna install it Sunday. Drop off the car. Get the hood wrapped. Get these little touches. Cam is coming, so stay tuned for that. And that's pretty much it. Wanted to update y'all. Stay tuned for the rest of the video. Thank you for watching, and I hope y'all like what I got coming. Peace. JJLEE Squad, your boy's back, and I'm back with the finished product and the reveal of what I got the car wrapped in. Hope y'all ready. Stay tuned. Cover it up real quick. Yeah. Wrap that baby in forged carbon, bro. Stop me good. Straight forged carbon. Did across the lip is a little front splitter. Complement the red. Yes, I'm keeping the stripes. Over here, forged carbon on the gas can. Take it around. This baby is just looking immaculate. Got this wrap on my boy Two-Toe Trey. Check him out on YouTube, fam. He hooked it up, finished it quick, and then the forged carbon just complements the red, the black, white. It all matches together. And of course, as y'all remember, I'm gonna change these out, of course, but as y'all remember, forged carbon on the steering wheel gloss forged carbon at that. So it's matched up pretty dang good. Open it, bam, open it, there you go right there. So this baby got hooked up pretty good, if you say. Look. Clean, bro. You gotta just step back and look at it. Go from the lip to the hood to the gas cap to the steering wheel. There, baby, the icy, bro. Look at that. Clean. Clean, bro. Look at the line and everything. He hooked it up, bro. Didn't want to do regular carbon. I didn't want to do like a satin black and nothing like that, but I did. It's about the Hellcat head. Went forged carbon. Didn't want to paint it. Didn't want to do white. And baby was crispy, just like that. Y'all tell me what y'all think, man. Of course, I'm gonna add more forged carbon. I'm gonna get this hood taken care of real quick. But yeah, bro. The baby's hooked up, man. I couldn't wish for a better car right now. That's why I always say build your own dream car, bro. That baby's Gucci, though. Look at that. Just hit when the sun hit it, bro, it's on another level. When the sun hits it, it's on another level, bro. Bro, like, I'm in love with this car all over again, bro. I always wanted the Hellcat hood, bam, got it. I always wanted the wide body, bam, made my own wide body. Always wanted some clean, real, made, good quality wheels. Got them bitches, bro. Like, I'm pretty much making my own dream car. This baby's not going anywhere unless somebody come out with a big ass offer, you know what I'm saying? But, like, always wanted a steering wheel. A custom steering wheel that's red and got forged carbon. Got it. Forged carbon on the hood. I am gonna get red seats sooner or later, so check that out, bro. But got the red floor seats too, so I hooked that up. But y'all can see, baby, this baby's reflective, matches the paint good and everything else. But I'm excited. It looks perfect. I'm happy. Been down a little bit. Let me get a couple pictures. This is complimented real good, y'all. Straight forged carbon, everything, bro. But yeah, of course I'm gonna add forged carbon. I'll probably take the regular carbon off the mirrors and the door, freaking doorknobs too. I said doorknobs, door handles. But forged carbon, I may add some forged carbon right here on the splitter as well, just to complement to keep more forged carbon playing over the red, the matte, the satin black, and the white. Y'all tell me how y'all feel, man. I just want to do this quick little video to show off the forged carbon and the white. I gotta let it bake a little more in the sun, so stay tuned. I really love that the lip portion of how that looks too, because he hooked it up. I pretty much just say wrap the hood, but he went and did extra for me. Not even asked for it, but there y'all go. Tell me what y'all think. Remember, like, subscribe, favorite, share the video, and I will catch y'all later. Peace.